Hi boys and girls, my name is Jeanette DeNuzzo and I am a kindergarten teacher over at Oakwood Primary Center. And today I am going to read for you There Is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. Now I chose There Is a Bird on Your Head because the friends in my class absolutely love Elephant and Piggy books. So my partner and I decided that we were going to read the same book, only she was going to read it in Spanish while I read it in English. So if you want to hear the book in Spanish, you can go to Mrs. Molina's page on YouTube and listen to the book in Spanish. So here we go. There Is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. There is a bird on your head by Willems. And here comes the bird. Bzz, down on Elephant's head. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there were two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then, I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? This is like my favorite part. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Look at Piggy. She flipped right over. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay. I will try to ask them. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? That worked. No problem. It worked. Bye. Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. And now if you look and see, the birds have moved their nest to Piggy's head. That's very silly. I absolutely love this book. I absolutely love Elephant and Piggy, just like my friends in my class do. So if you have any Elephant and Piggy books, I suggest you read them because they're fun to read. And I hope that I get to read more to you really soon. So hopefully we'll see each other soon. And I'll say goodbye.